To get a Dubsado free trial, this is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get a free trial with Dubsado. So I'm right here on one of the main Dubsado pages. First things first, if you want that free trial, you can click my link. I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. If you click my link, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page, depending on how Dubsado change their pages over time. So once you find yourself here, very simple. You are literally just going to click start for free. So once you click that big pink button, you will then sign in here. So this is starting a free trial. Now I should add, it doesn't say about the number of days right here. From what I understand, it is 21 days as of the making of this video. I did look into their documentation and found that out. Sometimes it's more, I've seen it more, and sometimes it's less. It depends really when you actually click on this link and what kind of offers they've got on. But this currently is a 21-day free trial. And so what you can do, I believe there's no entering of credit card or banking information or anything, so you can just try this out for free. So it's completely risk-free. So highly advise you check this out. You can continue with Google, so you can sign in with your Google account, your Gmail, or you could go old school, put your email address in, first name, last name, password, create account, bam, you're in. You can check out the full platform, see if it is for you. You can get that free trial, like I say, see if it is the right platform for you. Maybe it isn't, that's absolutely fine. Your trial will end, or cancel your trial at any time. You're not charged or anything like that. If it is for you, you can stick around, get one of their many different paid plans. They got the paid plans over here. If I click pricing, you can see there's the monthly plan and the annual plan, but you can look around the site yourself once you've clicked that link. So highly recommend that. Click my link, check out the free trial, see if Dubsado is for you. Like I say, it's no risk. You can cancel at any time, and as far as I can see, they don't even take credit card information for the free trial, so you can just let that elapse over 21 days, and if you like it, you can stick around. If not, that's cool too. So hopefully you have found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.